Hi, I am Paul Blake, General Secretary of the Patriots and the PNP Junior Shadow Spokesperson and Agriculture. All I want for Christmas is better infrastructure for our farmers, better roads, better drip irrigation system, and also storages for produce and better linkages to market for local farmers across the island. All I want for Christmas also is that more implementation of policies that will include youth in agriculture and a strengthening of the Jamaica 4-H Club, the youth organization of agriculture, to give better support in terms of funding, better support in terms of grants and scholarships for students at the primary, secondary, and tertiary level. All I want for Christmas is to see farmers happy, and we know at this festive season that there's a lot of demand for produce on the market. And after the festive season is over, there is a lack of demand, and so you have farmers that have to sell their produce at a lesser price. And so, all I want for this Christmas is for farmers to have better linkages to market locally, regionally, and internationally. And so, for this Christmas season, I want to wish you a really Merry Christmas, a powerful 2024 time come.